Hey everyone, welcome back to Auto Minute, where today I'll show you how to easily install a dash cam on a Subaru WRX. Let's go. The first thing we want to do is remove the plastic trim. You will need a pry tool for this, but you can get started by simply pushing down the cover from the left side until you hear it unclip. Once that happens, go ahead and use the pry tool to detach the other side. Let me show you the connection points on this so you can see what's going on. With that removed, let's move on to the bigger piece. This one's a bit tricky and quite snug, so you'll need to be more patient here. Let me show you the connection points on this one as well so you know what you're dealing with. Using the same pry tool, place it within the groove and push in and to the right until it unclips. Using that slight opening, run the pry tool down the seam and unclip at the bottom here as well. Now that we have the shroud removed, we can easily spot the connector port. To remove the connector, simply push in on the tab and pull straight up. Now, let's go ahead and connect our Dongar adapter. The one I have here is a special adapter designed by Dongar for the Subaru WRX. I'm going to connect this end of the adapter into the connector port and the other end to the vehicle's connector. With those two connected, we are now left with the USB receptacle. Turn on the ignition and ensure that the unit is receiving power. If a blue LED lights up, you're good to go. Now that we've confirmed power, let's go ahead and reassemble everything. Please note how I've routed the cables. We will be reinstalling everything in reverse order. Let's start with the left side and then snap the right side in after. With that done, I will now place the other end of the adapter within the space of the small trim piece and snap it into place. This does take a little bit of finessing, so take your time. Once that's done, I'm going to attach the USB receptacle to a clean spot on the windshield and tuck the excess cables into the headliner. Next, let's go ahead and attach the USB cable to the adapter. Find a nice spot on the windshield to attach the dash cam to and plug in the power. With everything set up, let's go ahead and power on the vehicle to make sure it's all good. And just like that, we are done. Setting up a dash cam has never been easier, so check out Dongar today and upgrade your setup. And if you found this video helpful, be sure to hit the like button or consider subscribing for more automotive content like this. Cheers and drive safe, y'all. Peace.